Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a modern D-letter logo using the Shape Builder tool and the Line Segment tool. Make sure to watch until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. Select a stroke color. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. Hold Alt and take one more copy. And place it like this. Now select these two lines. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And intersect with this line. Like this. Again select these three lines. Hold Alt to copy and intersect this line. Now select this extra line and press Delete. OK. After that, select these three lines. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Transform. Rotate. And rotate 120 degrees and copy. Perfect. After that, select these two lines. Hold Alt to copy and intersect this line. Like this. One more, do this in the same way. OK, select this extra line and press Delete. OK, now select this line. Right-click on the mouse, go to the Transform. Reflect. And vertically copy. And intersect this third line. Like this. Again hold Alt to copy. And place it here. One more like this. And one more intersects with this line. Perfect. OK, after that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Change it to Fill Color. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. Hold the spacebar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. OK, after that, hold Shift and select these parts. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. OK, our logo design is almost complete. Now, select the Line Segment tool. Draw a line from here. Like this. And take a stroke color. Now select the Ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift and draw a circle. Like this. Now press Ctrl plus Y and intersect this line perfectly. Again press Ctrl plus Y for the back. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Change it to fill color. And select the black color. Now click and drag to join this parts. Hold Alt and delete this extra parts. Perfect. Now select this shape, and go to the Direct Selection tool. Now select this anchor point and round. Select this and round. Select this and round. Now select this shape. And select this extra path. And remove it from here. Now hold Shift and select this and this anchor point and round. Do this all in the same way. Perfect. Now we need to apply some color to this logo. Now select all. With the eyedropper tool, pick this gradient color. Now select this. And select the gradient tool. And adjust the gradient way you want. Select this. Press G for the gradient tool. And adjust the gradient. After that, select the Smooth tool. And smooth this path. Okay, our logo design is complete. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like this video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.